These hikers weren't beginners. They had experience. They had the gear. And they still needed rescue. Here's why. When we hear about these rescues, people love to assume that it's beginners. Someone in flip-flops, no map, no clue. But many rescues involve experienced hikers. People who should know better. And that's exactly why it happens. Overconfidence. Experience can quietly turn into overconfidence. You've done this hike before. You've handled worse weather. You feel strong, so you skip a layer. You push your turnaround time a little later. You say, I'll be fine. Rescue reports don't say reckless. They say delayed, disoriented, weather changed. I've caught myself thinking this way too. And that's when I stop and slow down. Weather arrogance. Experienced hikers check the forecast, but sometimes we trust our judgment more than the mountain. Mountains don't care how long you've been hiking. Wind, whiteout, freezing, rain. Conditions change fast. Most rescues aren't dramatic mistakes. They're small decisions that stack up. Phone dependence. This one surprises people. Experienced hikers often rely on their phones more, not less. GPS apps, photos, quick checks, and then the battery dies. It's too cold. There's no signal. Experience doesn't replace a backup plan or a battery bank. Late starts. You know the trail. So you start a little later in the day. You assume you move faster. Then daylight disappears. The temperature drops. A lot of rescues start with one sentence. They underestimate how long it would take. Solo hiking. Many experienced hikers hike solo. There's nothing wrong with that. But there's no margin for error. One wrong step, one turned ankle, one navigation miss, and you're alone. Small problems become rescue calls. Your safety is on you. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Experience doesn't prevent rescues. Humility does. The hikers who avoid trouble aren't the boldest. They're the ones who turn around early. Which ones have you caught yourself doing? Tell me in the comments. What helps me is to have a routine checklist and stick to it. And don't forget to tell someone where you're going and when you should be back. If you hike, especially solo or off season, this channel's for you. Subscribe for real trail safety, not fear, just honesty. See you on the trail.